Welcome. Today, we're diving into Pinterest to ensure you're only getting messages from your friends. If you're looking to keep your inbox friendly and filter out unwanted messages, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the updated steps to allow inbox messages from friends on Pinterest. First, open your Pinterest app. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen. You should see a few icons there. Tap on Saved. This will take you to your saved pins and boards. From there, tap your profile icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. This directs you to your profile page where you can adjust your account settings. Next, we need to find the social permissions. Once on your profile, look for a gear icon or 3 dots, which usually indicates settings or options. Tap on that, and you should see a menu appear. Scroll down until you find Social Permissions, and tap on it. This section controls how you interact with others on the platform. Now that you're in Social Permissions, you'll see a few options related to who can contact you and how. Look for Message Settings and tap on it. This is where you can fine-tune who is allowed to send you messages. In the message settings, you'll see a few choices. You might see options like Everyone, Friends, or No One. To ensure only your friends can send you messages, click on Friends, then choose Inbox. This setting ensures that only people you know and follow can send messages directly to your inbox, filtering out potential spam or unwanted contacts. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Pinterest settings to allow messages only from friends. This helps keep your Pinterest experience more personal and less cluttered. By following these steps, you're in control of who can reach out to you on Pinterest, making your experience safer and more enjoyable. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.